Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can fix Roblox no sound audio process problem. So basically, as you can see in this Roblox gaming, we don't have any voice yet. So what is the problem? We just need to find it out. Basically the problem comes from the setting. Whenever it would be we mute our voice or we mute our volume, that's why we are not able to hear the sound of audio or again. So you just need to click this one and then go to the setting. Once you come over here, then you just need to scroll down, and here finally you can see that we reduce or we decrease the volume of our audio. So you just need to be increased, then you will eventually hear the sound. So here actually you can see it. So you just need to be find it out the setting properly, and then you can fix this problem without any hesitation. So if you think this video was knowledgeable for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.